Day 16 YouTube channel. Just a short and sweet video. Today, with my real estate career, I am, in case you don't know, I'm a real estate agent. I cover all of Florida, but I specialize in Central Florida, Century 21, Coyote. So if you are in the market for real estate, buying or selling, please contact me, and I will be able to assist you with all of your real estate, or almost all of your real estate needs. So today I went and had what's called floor time at the real estate office, which basically means that if anybody had walked in, I would be the real estate agent who would be servicing them. It was a pretty quiet day. It was like a thunderstorm going on, and walk-ins don't happen every day. They do happen, so it's really good to do the floor time, volunteer to do the floor time. But you know, like anything else, a real estate agent, you own your own business, and you essentially work for free until you have someone come in and do that. So until somebody's interested in buying or selling a home. So that's basically it. And then I had a lot of courses that I completed today, and you know, one of the final thoughts that I had come across was that in order, sometimes, you know, when you face hardship, hardship creates, for common people, creates uncommon destinies. So that was the final thought today. So, you know, you have hardship, just remember that it's making you a better person. You use that pain and that struggle to get what you ultimately want out of life. So with that, I will call it a day, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.